You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix an iPhone that turns off automatically and won't turn on. First, try a forced restart. On an iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. On iPhone 7, hold the volume down and sleep or wake buttons. On iPhone 6, hold the home and sleep or wake buttons. If the phone starts, check for a software update in Settings, General, Software Update. If it remains off, connect it to a charger using the original cable and adapter. Let it charge for at least an hour, even if no charging symbol appears. Try a different outlet, cable, and adapter. If the screen is still black, connect it to a computer with iTunes or Finder. On a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. On a PC or older Mac, open iTunes. See if the computer recognizes the device. If it does, you may need to update or restore the iPhone. If the computer does not recognize it, the issue may be hardware related, like a failed battery or logic board. As a last resort, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. If the phone turns off at a specific battery percentage, the battery likely needs replacement. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.